bang! Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. In today's video, we've got to look into the crypto market right now, guys, because the market is pumping and we're now at 99k. Now, I want to say to start the video, we're not doing the pump it up dance just yet because we still need to break this level of resistance at 99k. Once we do break it and we're approaching all-time highs, trust me, we'll be pumping it up every single day, guys. But right now, we actually were tracking this in the members club and we had our technical breakout target of 99.43. We broke through it a little bit. Now we're finding a little bit of resistance, but who really cares? Now is altcoin season about to start again, guys, because we're starting to see altcoins outperform the big daddy Bitcoin. Ethereum, I hope you've been watching the Ethereum updates, guys, because I actually gave out a last accumulation zone in the past video a couple days ago. We're now out of that accumulation zone, right? So no point picking up ETH at 2k. Yes, it is cheap, but it was cheaper, guys. Then you're seeing a lot of the other big coins doing really well. Even Sui, right? Picked up some more Sui and up 12% for the day. So again, you got to be allocating to the strongest coins if you're not just fully going all in on Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin looking good, ETH looking good, which is going to translate into the rest of the market. Now, why is ETH looking good, guys? The Petra upgrade was yesterday and there was so many fear articles coming out saying ETH whales offloading, they're not buying. But then we made the video, guys. We looked into the wallets and we saw that accumulation was at an all-time high preparing for this upgrade. If you guys want to find out like what's included in the Petra upgrade, number one, you can go to consensus and just read this in your own time. Number two, I'm going to make a dedicated ETH video over the coming days, guys. But the Petra upgrade, very good for ETH. Now we're going to get into the charts and find out what we need Bitcoin dominance to do for our altcoins to see the big pumpy that we're all looking for. But I want to show you guys this. This is like months of receipts now, guys, okay? And it's so important to stay on the right side of the trade and not the wrong side of your emotions, right? April 3rd, when everything was looking pretty bad, before we had that big crash, high probability that ETH will go down to 1600 to 1300 on the next leg down. I will max bid there, right? That was a painful max bid. I'm not going to lie. That sucked, guys. To go forward, what, 3 days we started the move. We're going to get to at least the white trend line, only another 12% to get there. And we got to the white trend line. We actually marked that up with a nice little green circle. Lovely. Got to touch the white trend line, as I stated above. A breakout from the channel will result in massive moves to the upside with renewed optimism into the market. Look where we are now for ETH, guys. So, who max bidded down here, okay? Still would have liked to get a really low 1300s, but the fact we just max bid the trend line, no problem. I made an update for the members club yesterday as well, and I told them, hey guys, this is an obvious accumulation. Like a lot of altcoins are in obvious accumulation right now. Gonna buy here. We bought this candle, guys. Boom. Okay, so that's actually luck. Let's be real. That's actually luck. But we are planning ahead of time and again making our way to the move at around 2.1k for Ethereum. Like I said, Bitcoin's at big resistance right now, but it's slowly ticking off the little checks that we need to be getting to return bullish into the market. But right now, 99k, breaking that level of resistance, breaking its downtrend from mid-December. We've been in the downtrend for another 6 months. Remember that last 6-month accumulation at 45k? It feels very weird, doesn't it? Now we're in the same sort of accumulation. 6 month actually does suck. But if we do stay above here and then we can retest 98.7k, we're going to be on our way to 104k, which is going to be fantastic. And was it really that easy, guys? Was it really that easy? It feels like it was that easy because we've been looking at global M2. Some people love it. Some people hate it. Some people say, you know, you squish it to make it fit your narrative. But so far, it's fit the narrative, right? It's actually just shown every single pullback that we've been having, these minor corrections, followed by a sharp V-shaped recovery. Bitcoin's been following it, right? And you're seeing, you know, think people like China introducing QE. They injected like something like 1 trillion yuan or something like that into the market yesterday. So again, global liquidity index is rising. So again, guys, if you find this stuff useful, please subscribe to me because I'm trying to make my way to 12k. I don't know why it's taking me so long to get to 12k. You can, you don't have to. But Bitcoin now, we do need to be breaking 94.3k, and if we can flip this into resistance, man, this is going to be so good. 4 hourly chart looking pretty vertical right now, guys. So again, we can expect pullbacks. Look at where we are. This red line is where we are right now. Bunch of resistance here, guys. Okay, again, we can be expecting some sort of pullbacks, and maybe we just flip 93k into support. Again, I was personally waiting for 88k for Bitcoin, expecting 88k down here to be a max long level. Guess what? The rest of the market was as well, so we didn't really get it, and instead so far we're just breaking out from this falling wedge. And then Bitcoin dominance needs, please, to break down from here, guys. Okay, break down from this white line. Let's actually get that line straight. That was our technical breakout target for this falling wedge. We found it, right? We had a larger falling wedge breakout target of around 65% as well. Now we've broke above it. Everyone's expecting 66%. We still could go there, guys, but the power of the squiggle can be real. Maybe we just squiggle down like this, push up again, altcoins have that last pullback, and then we have our last leg of the bull run, guys. Again, we're going to have to see how it goes. Don't put too much weight into the squiggle. But if we do start to close below 65%, maybe we make our way down to 64.61, and then we lose this level as well, right? We lose here and then make a larger move down here. That is going to be absolute fireworks for our altcoins, guys. Okay, so we need to see the altcoin pairs pick up. Let's actually have a look at the others dominance. All right, so the others chart right now finding resistance at the 100-day MA. Okay, so again, are we going to get that final flush down for others, which is our small caps, or are we going to break this 100 MA now and then be targeting around 280 billion? Could be breaking that MA, guys, because it does look like we do have quite a way to go up for the others dominance. So we've got like another 1% or so to go up for the others dominance before we find some significant resistance. And then maybe we have our really big push up for all of our small cap altcoins. Then we come to the total 3. And I want to say, guys, green zone 0.50618 fib. 1, 2, 3 times now has marked the bottom for the total 3. Crazy. It's crazy when it literally tells you this is exactly where I'm going to bottom, and, you know, online news articles, just general sentiment, can fear you out of your bags, guys. So, yeah, crazy that we've held this as the bottom and that this did show to be the ultimate pickup area. Now, for the total 3, we've actually broken out of the 100-day MA. We just need a close above it and then continuation candles, guys. But, again, needs to be breaking 850 billion for the total 3, and then I do think it is going to be party time. But that's it, guys. We're looking pretty good. Happy Thursday, everybody. If you made it this far, click that like button, leave me a comment. If you want to join the journey, then subscribe, guys. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Peace.